Hi everyone, and welcome to another unpackaging. Yeah, this is unpackaging from Wish, and as you see, this is Burgess Hill Theatre. Yep, Burgess Hill Theatre. You go down that way, St John's. Opposite is you're close to the post office. Up that way's the town. Of course it's you chicken stupid nugget. The station that way. But yeah, this is Burgess Hill Theatre, where it does hold some stuff. And yeah, it's still in use today, and good on it as well. Well, you didn't come here just to look at Burgess Hill Theatre, did you? You come here to see what I got with Wish. You got 1, 2, 3. So we got 4. 4. I'll show you 4. Yep. And what it is, all these, I just paid for postage, £2. I think £2. Yeah. Yeah, I just paid for postage. Let's get this down a bit. Yeah, £2 postage I paid for this. And yeah. So without further ado, number 5 is alive. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Just a little joke there. Never mind. Right, we're going to cut the first one open and see what we got. He rips it open, and it's a butt plug. What? It looks like a butt plug, doesn't it? Well, it ain't. It's oh, I know what it is. Oh yeah. How would you know about butt plugs anyway? I don't. I just watch dodgy videos now and then. Yes, this is a glass breaker, self-defense weapon. I've forgotten the name, what they call it, but I can't really use it here because what's the name? I've got a plaster on, so you can't see. See, like that. You know, it's mostly apply pressure points. If you know pressure points, then you could use this quite effectively on somebody that's attacking you. And see, you got the point there. So you see, you just dig it in the ribs, release. These, some of the bridge of the nose. You take this, put pressure there, put pressure there. Anywhere it's got pressure, the pressure points, this will work excellently. But first of all, you have to know pressure points and only use the pressure points that don't kill. And when the person's released, run away. That's all you got to do. Yes, but it's a handy little tool anyway, just in case. Yeah. So there's, let's put it by the door. Yeah, it fits there well there. Yes, the pressure point thingy. Self-defense. Yeah. Yeah, it's quite light, which is not too bad. Right, and package number 2. There's only 4 packages, so it'll be a short video, I expect. But yeah, £2 most of it. Most of it cost, yeah, £2 I think. Yeah, postage each, not everything, but £2 each. Ooh. Oh, Golden Bennett. Yeah, well, if you watch my previous Wish videos, you know what I'm going to talk about, don't you? Come on, out you come. Mr. Donald Trump. There we go. Where are you, Donald? Here you go, Mr. Trump. Trumpity Trump. There he goes. And the reverse. The cross arms. I don't know why he's got the cross arms. Or cross rifles, rather. I don't know. I'll see what it says. Will never be repelled. One side. The Second Amendment. Oh. Donald Trump, the Second Amendment will never be repealed. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, jogging. No, you can't. Yeah, it's cross arms. There's the cross arms. Cross arms, cross rifles, you fucking idiot. Donald Trump. It's got 2020 on this one. So, yes, 2020. Well, if you're asking why I'm collecting Trump, I'm not just collecting Trump. I've got other gold coins. Not gold colour coins I'm collecting. I've got the Titanic at the moment. I've got Bitcoins, got Trump now. It's all part of the collection. So, where can you put him so you can see him? He keeps disappearing, that little bugger, doesn't he? Yeah. Yeah. Quite a few collecting, and yeah, and we will. Yeah, when I get quite a few more, I'll show you my collection and see how you go. You know what I mean? Right, package number 3. Open up. There we go. Oh, another 2 coins here, lads. Without the coin cases. I'll just open one of them up. They're in a plastic bag. Look, they're in a plastic bag. One is, recognise that symbol. Who Dare Wins, Special Air Service. Who Dare Wins. And on there it's got Kill or Capture, which I don't think it's their motto. That's not their motto, I know that. But yes, it's another coin. That's called collection. I think these are 4 mils. Yeah, so I need to get cases for them. Some come with cases, some don't. You know, heavy. It is really heavy. And there you go. And let's have a look at the other one. The one's in a similar plastic baggie. Yeah. Yeah, they call it baggies, I suppose. That was easy to open. This one's a bit of a bugger to open. But once I've opened it, there you go. Right, let's have a look. Ah, yes, another one. It says Guardian Angel on it. The lucky coin. Lucky coin, Guardian Angel. You can see that, can you? No, I don't think you can. Right, yeah, it says lucky coin, Guardian Angel. Got a picture of a shamrock. Look. The Guardian Angel to watch over you and protect you. Oh, that's cool. Lucky coin. Yes, so another one I got. Yeah. Another coin, adds towards my collection. Yeah, you see. Yeah, not bad, not bad. I'll put that there. Oh, cool, look at that, I like that. Will that prop up that? No. No, they disappeared. There you go. Stop fucking around. Right, and for the last one. The last one for this wish. For today anyway. Oh. Yeah, let's have a look. Right, it looks like what's in here? No more coins. Oh, all right. Stickers. Recognise them? I'll get them out of the packet. Yeah, it's the Game of Thrones. Yeah. The Game of Thrones. I mean, it. Yeah, they feel like waterproof. Yeah, they feel waterproof. Probably like that. Yeah, they feel waterproof, so I can get the glare off. Oh, no, you're out of focus, isn't you? That way. Yeah, well, that's most of them in there. Littlefinger, Jon Snow, Arya, Jaime Lannister, the Queen Lannister, I forgot her bloody name. You know, Blondie there, I forgot her bloody name. I've seen it, and I've seen it half a dozen times. Don't lie. Alright, twice. I've seen the series twice. Yeah. I must say, they feel like, they feel waterproof. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. They got the texture like, you know, you can stick them on a bag and, yeah, they would, I don't know, yeah, they would absorb the moisture. Games of Thrones. And the zombies. You got Direwolf there. Yeah, you got the Direwolf. You got the Iceman. Yep, but what's his name? Well, yeah. Oh, that one. The one that betrayed him, got his sausage chopped off. Oh, I forgot his name. Oh, there's that giant. Likes giant milk. Yeah, sucks on a giant woman's tit, he said. Old door! Old door! Yeah. Direwolf. Yeah. Anybody? Oh, is that? Oh, is that King Joffrey? Yeah, I believe there's King Joffrey at the back. I don't know if you can see him there, little fucker. There's oh, the bookworm. Yeah, he likes his books. Don't blame him. Some books are good. Some books are shit. Right, I take this. This is our what's her name? Yeah, the assassin, the girl that has no name. That one. Yes. And they look cartoonish, but you can see the gist of it. This is what I mean by cartoonish. Wouldn't it be nice if it was real? You know, not cartoon. You know what I mean? Photos of them real. But you get what you pay for, I suppose. Yep. The chain breaker, the queen, the dragon, dragon mother, mother of dragons, and John. Yeah, not yeah. That's and I don't know who's sitting on this throne, but here's a picture of the Iron Throne. Looks like it don't look bloody happy. I don't know. Could be that headless man. I forgot his name. Oh, what's his name? I forgot. I've bloody seen it. But anyway, he's sitting on the Iron Throne. And here's Jon Snow with his direwolf. What I have noticed, he only says goodbye to that direwolf once when he leaves. And that direwolf was always, mostly by his side. You know what I mean? But hey, that's Jon Snow for him. Mate's probably got his mind on other things. Well, he has, hasn't he? You know what I mean? Oh, there's old Cersei. Is it Cersei? Cersei, yeah. Oh, God, she pulls out. Cersei, yeah. Queen Lannister. Yeah. Yeah, well, I don't know what to say about her, but she was, well, good. Yeah, so quite liked her in there. She was pretty good. And this has to be Jaime Lannister, the man with the golden hand. Yeah. Cool, he went through some shit, didn't he? You know what I mean? Yeah. Well, hey, he come through it, lasted till the end. Yep, little Mr. Jaime Lannister, little finger, little shit stirrer. He is a shit stirrer, this one. Glad he got caught out in the end. Knew what he was doing. Yeah. Why do they call you Littlefinger? Well, because he lived on a bloody little island that stuck out, looked like a little finger. That's a load of bollocks, mate. I reckon your prostitute house was telling you lies, mate. Talking about your dick, little dick. That's what you should have been named. Oh, slap you round the head if I was about. Cool. Grass, get away. Right. Another one of the Chainbreaker, the Mother of Dragons. Yes. Daenerys. That's her name. Yes, Daenerys. The Queen of the Dragons. Yep. And oh, look at this. This is Daenerys as well, but as he knocks over keep knocking this over, I don't know why. Knocked it over in the other video. Right, look at that. It looks like something out of anime, doesn't it? You know what I mean? You know how sexy they look. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it did come from China, this lot, so yeah. Yeah. There you go with Jon Snow. Oh, and there he is. I wonder where you got to. Now this geezer. Oh, I've never met a geezer that got banged up so much, got handcuffed in prison, bloody nearly lost his life half a dozen times, and all he did was spoke a load of bullshit, and he got himself out of trouble. Jesus, mate. Yeah, good on you. Well done. I drink, and I know things. Yes. You carry on drinking. I took a donkey and a honeycomb into a whorehouse once. Did I tell you about that? Yes, 1,000 times. Ta-da! I like that. Ooh, wait, the sigil. That's the Lannisters. Hear me roar. Roar. That's the sigil of the Lannisters. Right. And the sigil. Oh, this is the oh, I do believe. Oh, I forgot their name. But it's ours. Oh, ours is the Fury. Yes, ours is the Fury, or ours is ours ours is our Fury. Something like that. I forgot the name of the what's the name. That's the sigil of them. That oh God, that the red woman was with. Oh yes, drives me up the wall. This does. And of course, you got the direwolf, which is Jon Snow and his crew. Oh dear, 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 dear. Yes. Yes. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, Jon Snow and his crew. I've got. This must be. Yeah. Oh, I forgot his name. The one that had his head cut off. Oh. Definitely got a memory block here. Definitely. Yes. Oh, God. I can't remember. We have another sigil. Fire and Blood. This is the, yes. Fire and Blood. Oh, it's the dragons. That geezer on the horse that marries, Daenerys. Marries the big bugger. Aquaman, you know, he stars in Aquaman now, him. Yeah. And now on to, he has to be one of the hated characters in the Game of Thrones. King Joffrey, you little shit, you little knob jockey. I am so glad that you got poisoned, because I was on the verge of jumping through the telly, knocking your blacking head off. Oh, you done half wind me up, you did. Oh, but there you go. Oh, the man who has many. Yeah, thank you for that message. Yes, the man who has many spies. My little birds do whisper, or something like that. One that got burnt to a crisp on the beach for writing all those notes saying Jon Snow is the rightful king, and which he was, to the Iron Throne, which he was. Absolutely right. And there, and we can see if you can see it, on Game of Thrones, with the Iceman at the back. Oh, come on. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Ooh. No, you can't really see. No. No, you're not really seeing it, but that's about the best thing you will get. Yes. Got them, most of them. Jon Snow, Arya, Lannister, little I drink and I know, that one. And Jon Snow with a seagull of his house and his direwolf. Yes. So yeah, not bad, not bad. And the last one, oh, I think this is cool. I like this one. Yes. You got Denise, you got Arya, Jon Snow, and you got I drink and I know. Yeah. Dragon Woman, yeah, see if I can. That annoying. Yeah. I don't think I can. Oh, that's it. Yeah. Yeah, look. Yeah. I drink and I know. But yes, that's the stickers I got from the Wish that will be put to some use, definitely, absolutely. And yeah, follow me on Instagram where I would take photos and you can really see these in depth. And yeah, I won't be using this, you know, so you glow it and it's usable. I know how to use one, but I won't be taking it out using it. I've got coins. Yeah, so if you want to follow me on Instagram where I take photos and you can have a really good look. Obviously I won't take photos of each and every one of these. They'll be like in a bundle if I take them. Might not. Just choose the best ones. But yeah, follow me on Instagram. And yeah, if you like this video, put a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, still thumbs it up. You know. Yeah, subscribe and do all those kind of things. And yeah, from me, Mystery Finder 4 and Burgess Hill, we are gonna go now, and it's ta-da, bye bye.